area related to circle, we have to find the area of the segment AYB MA. AYB MA. This is the segment. This segment is equal to area of this segment is equal to area of the sector OAYBO. This AYBO. This is the sector and this is the segment. When we will subtract the area of triangle OAB, this triangle OAB, we will subtract from the area of sector. Sector is OAYBO. From this sector, we will subtract the area of triangle, then it will be segment. Area of sector OAYBO area of segment AYBMA equal to area of sector OAYBO minus area of triangle. Formula of area of sector, that is theta upon 360 into pi r square. Theta upon 360 into pi r square minus area of triangle AOB. Theta upon 360 into pi r square minus area of triangle AOB. Now we will find the area of triangle. We will find the area of triangle AOB. This OAB or AOB, this triangle. For finding the area, we will draw perpendicular from O to AB. We will draw perpendicular from O to AB. OM, this will be the perpendicular. OM is perpendicular to AB. Then these two triangles AMO and triangle BMO both are congruent. These two triangles are congruent by RHS, right angle hypotenuse side. Right angle are equal, this hypotenuse are equal, and this side OM is common. Then in this right angle triangle OMA, in this triangle angle M is 90 degree. Then we will apply here cosine formula, cos 60 equal to base, this OM will be base upon hypotenuse OA, OM upon OA, base upon hypotenuse. Cos 60 equal to 1 by 2 is equal to OM upon OA, OM upon OA. OM we can consider X, OA that is 21. Then OM equal to OM that is equal to X, OM that is equal to X, then OM equal to 21 upon 2. OM equal to 21 upon 2. This is the first equation. Now we will apply the sin 60. Then sin 60 equal to perpendicular upon hypotenuse AM upon OA. AM upon OA. Sin 60 that is root 3 upon 2. AM is here and OA, value of OA that is 21. Then 21 will come here. Then AM equal to 21 into root 3 upon 2. Now in the figure, AB is the base, then value of AB is equal to twice of AM. Value of AB that is twice of AM. It means 2 into 21 into root 3 upon 2. 2 and 2 cancel out. then AB equal to 21 root 3. Now we have to find the area of this triangle. If this triangle OAB, then area of this triangle equal to 1 by 2 base upon perpendicular. Base upon perpendicular. 1 by 2 AB into OM. 1 by 2 AB into OM. 1 by 2 AB. AB is 21 root 3 upon 2. 21 root 3. And OM that is 21 upon 2. After putting the value, it will become 441 root 3 upon 4 centimeter square. Now, this area of triangle, value of this area of triangle, we will put here, area of triangle. Then theta, in this case theta equal to 120 degree. At the center the angle is formed 120 degree and radius is 21 centimeter. Then here theta is 120 upon 360 into 22 upon 7 into r square, that is 21 into 22, 21, minus area of this triangle, that is 441 root 3 upon 4. Now here we will calculate this. After calculating this, we will get 462 minus 441 root 3 upon 4 centimeter square. Now here we will take common 21 upon 4. Firstly we will take the LCM 4. Then after we will take common 21 upon 4. Then here it will remain 88 minus 21 root 3 centimeter square. This is the area of segment. This is the area of segment.